Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So, yeah, we had the data come out, we had non-farm payrolls come out, way better than expected, and the market had no idea what to do with that news. So, what's basically happening is we are still forming this consolidation pattern here in between the levels that we looked at last week. And remember, there's quite a bit going on in this area. So, the weekly bar for last week was a range bar, green range bar, inside bar of the previous week. So nothing really to read into that at the moment. If we start dropping down through the time frames, you'll see on the 3 hour, pretty much nothing going on. Look at these pin bars off structure here. So this is the structure 32,500, 32,514, and there are two pin bars there going at the close of last week. So I won't call it a tree at the bottom. For me, this is still a range. I'd want to see us break above the highs of last week, and just put them in exact, or alternatively, the lows of last week. So that's kind of the setup that I'm waiting for. And when we drop down to the hour, you can see the chaos of Friday. Big move down and big move up. So until we break these levels, so it's the highs and lows of last week, I'm not really interested in jumping in on this at the moment. So looking at the hour, probably a move down, but we are above the moving averages. So more than likely just like a meander, drifting a little bit down and then trying to find support or something while everything eases off. And that's going to be the area of interest right here, 32,663. So if we can stay above 32,663, then I would expect us to come and tag the top of the range at 32,983. Drop below that, then possibly moving down to the bottom of the trend line here. And I just want to fine tune this. So yeah, I'm set on hands, guys. I'm really not interested in this at the moment. If you look at the 15 minutes as well, you'll see it's pretty impossible to trade that. So last week Thursday was chaotic, and then big down, big up, big down, big up, and then we just kind of finished where we opened. So I suppose a bit of a pin bar from the daily. Let's see, a bit of a pin bar, inside bar, pin bar, oscillators all grouped to the upside. Still in a downward trend from the daily perspective, so to be expected. But I'm waiting for a fairly decent break to the upside before committing to longs, or alternatively, I'm looking for some support lower down. If not off 32,663, then definitely looking for something around 32,527. So that's kind of my view at the moment. We could be in an uptrend looking at the 8 hour. There could be a bit of a reversal, could be a bit of a flag forming. But if we do break above the highs of last week, then we definitely have a flag break, and that would target 33,486. So until that happens, I am sitting quietly and waiting for the setup to come to me. Hope that helps, and we will catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.